What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable allow app suggested apps in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings, and here click on ads. Now in ads, click on ads privacy and then click on app suggested ads. Now if you want to turn off or disable the allow app suggested ads, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable the allow app suggested ads, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable allow app suggested ads in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.